When I moved to Orlando 17 years ago, I fell in love with this city, its culture, its food, and especially its car culture. So in 1982, two businesses were formed. Tint World started in South Florida, and Time & Sound started here in Orlando. But the family who started Time & Sound 40 years ago decided that they wanted to retire, and I was more than happy to take over what they began, make that our second Tint World location here in Orlando. So when we opened our first location in Orlando a little over 6 years ago, we did the typical grand opening thing where we had a big sale and a car show all weekend long outside during the day. And this time, I kind of just felt like, we're already established in Orlando. I just want to have a big party and invite everybody. We invited many of our best customers over the years, as well as all of our local friends, family, and community leaders. I think one of the reasons that a lot of our customers are all car people is because I'm a car person. I've been doing this for such a long time, and I hang out with car people, and all of us we enjoy cars together, and so naturally a lot of them that are also friends have become customers as well. Outside of being inside Tint World, we are at car shows every weekend. We're out at car events in the evenings, and we all hang out here locally, and the whole car community really supports each other, and everybody's really friendly, and they all get along great. We were so thrilled with how tonight turned out. I couldn't imagine a better party with great friends and drinks and food and everything that we had going on. We had a ton of fun tonight. Anytime you're near downtown Orlando, feel free to stop in and say hello.